check this out, Why? Okay. Everything looks okay. Yeah. I'm gonna try pushing it. That should do it. Hope we make it. Very hard today. Hold on. We just made it. Yeah. Let's get Mom her packet. Yeah. Later that same day.
We are here. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so hot. How hot do you think it is today?
Like 1,000,000 degrees or 50 degrees.
1,000,000 degrees or 50 degrees? How hot do you think it is?
I'm gonna go with 100.
Right. How hot do you think it is?
It's hot.
That's very good. It is hot. All right, guys, we are getting a battery for this camera so that it doesn't die and we don't get the vlog.
Yeah.
All right, let's get you guys in a cart.
Where are they?
There they are. All right, buddy, get in.
All right.
I'm gonna sit you down. No.
Hop on, right?
Wait, I don't think these are the ones we use. Oh, we use these ones.
I like this one.
Wait. All right, we'll use those ones. All right, batteries. Do you guys see batteries?
No.
Right, can you ask them where the batteries are?
Yeah. Where's the battery?
With battery?
Yeah.
For the A7S2. Good job, right?
Well, I'm so glad we got this cart for this little battery.
For one battery.
Wait, where are you going? Car? Oh no. Put that down. Don't touch that. Wait, come back. No, stop. Oh my gosh.
You guys, come back.
No! Right. You guys, we're not doing the if you can carry it, we'll buy it challenge.
We can do it.
What?
We can do the challenge.
No!
What is happening?
I don't know.
I didn't know Riot was this strong.
Jeez. She's stronger than you.
Seriously.
This isn't happening, right?
They really think it is.
Oh, they're gonna be very disappointed when we check out.
I heard that.
What?
I heard what you were gonna say when we're gonna be super mad when you get check out.
You heard that?
Dope.
All right, guys, we got out of Best Buy unscathed, but Mommy had a great idea to come to
Target.
What do we need at Target?
We always need something at Target.
Do you need something at Target?
Underwear.
Underwear? Do you need something at Target?
Yeah.
What do you need?
Underwear.
Underwear? Do you need underwear?
Yeah.
I bet. All right, fine, let's go. All right, hop in. Wow. I did not think you were gonna be able to do that.
I didn't either.
All right, let's go. Buddy, look what I found. What? You wanna scare Mommy with it?
Yeah.
All right, she's right over there. Put this on.
Okay.
Let me see. Perfect. Okay, let's go. She's down here. Come on. See her in the reflection? She's right there. All right, let's go. Very sneaky, very sneaky. Nice. That was his idea. I had nothing to do with that.
That was your idea.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Perfect. You guys, Corey is mad at me right now because I went on Instagram Live and said we were at Target getting her underwear. So this mug should help. What's up, guys?
What's up?
What'd you guys get?
I got this one.
What?
That's for Freddy.
Freddy underwears?
Yeah. I got like a pet.
What? Life of Pets? No, sweetie, I think that's Ugly Dolls.
No, Life of Pets.
Okay, it's Life of Pets. And what underwear did you get? Are you still mad at me?
You're so rude.
Here you go.
But you think mugs just fix everything?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Well, guys, I think we got what we came for.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys ready to go?
Let's go.
Yeah.
Home sweet home.
Yep. We're back.
Yeah.
What the heck? Tydus, your car's parked in our spot.
Yeah.
Where should I park?
I guess pull up right here.
Daddy,
Yeah.
can I drive my car a little bit?
What do you think, Mommy?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
Cook dinner.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
All right. What are you cooking for dinner?
I was thinking macaroni and cheese and nuggets.
Nice.
All right, go back.
All right, buddy. Have fun. Oh, buddy, we're gonna have to teach you how to drive this a little better.
Yeah.
What is that?
Wait.
You see that?
Wait, what?
Is that a rabbit?
Yeah.
Drive over there. You guys, I thought this was a real rabbit. It's Thor, Little Moo's new dog toy.
Wait. Let's think Mommy was there.
What? How?
We should pretend I ran it over.
Ran it over?
Yeah.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah.
But you know, of course, it's bad to hurt little animals, right?
Yeah.
And this is just for fun, for a prank, right?
Yeah.
I like it. Let's set it up and go get her.
Yeah.
All right, let's put it like right here. Yeah? Let's bring your car over here. Like that. This looks good, but it's kind of sad.
It's fake.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, let's go get Mommy.
Yeah.
Okay, come on.
Let's go.
Wait. She's not gonna buy it if we both go up there and I have the camera. So you hang out by the car and I'll go get her, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Babe?
Yeah.
Something kind of sad happened.
What?
Come down here.
What are you, is Tydus okay?
Yeah, no, Tydus is fine. He kind of ran something over.
Oh no. What?
Come on. Aww,
What?
it's a little bunny rabbit.
Oh no.
I know.
Oh,
It was an
buddy.
accident.
Oh shoot. Oh.
I know. What?
You guys are so... It literally looks like the one we saw in the
I know.
garage.
You guys, we have little bunnies that look just like this that run around all over here all the time. So,
Wow.
did you think it was real?
No.
No? Sorry, Mommy. We love you.
Love you guys.
Sorry, Mommy.
Payback. I owe you guys after today.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Yeah, you blasted me that I was buying underwear, and now you did this.
Oh, that's right. Did you put on your new underwear?
No.
You haven't? Yeah. Mommy's gross.
Wow.
But you guys, we do have a champion subscriber to announce.
We do, number 3.
Yay!
Should we do it right now?
Yeah!
Do you have the bell handy?
I don't.
All right, don't move. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Yeah, there it is.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, you guys, our 3rd champion subscriber is Love Trav and Core.
Yeah!
Congratulations! We are gonna be DMing you and getting all your information to send you this awesome belt.
And if you didn't win, don't worry. We are going to be picking another champion subscriber this time next month. And we're going to be picking 9 more champion subscribers.
Yep, 9 more.
Then once we have 12 champion subscribers, we're going to be picking one of you from those 12 people to be flown out here to hang out with us and Team 10 and Jake. And you're going to get an awesome goodie bag.
Yeah, remember we were talking the other day about putting something cool in there?
Oh yeah, we were thinking maybe a whole vlogging setup as part of the prize.
Yep.
So you guys, don't forget, if you want a chance to become a champion subscriber, all you have to do is...
Subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, go give all of our videos a thumbs up, and spam all of our social medias, make awesome edits, because we are looking out for number 4.
That is right. You guys, should we do our normal shout outs now?
Yeah!
All right, start it off.
So shout out to Aiden Oven. The second shout out go to and Jake Paula Salvador. So shout out to Martin Pipes. And the last shout out go to Trav James 34. Thank you so much for watching our videos. You guys a thumbs up. We love you. You guys want to be shout out? Make give Dippy a thumbs up. And follow Instagram, Trav and Core.
That's right, you guys. We hope you like this video, and congratulations again to Love Trav and Core. We hope you like this belt. We love you guys so much, and we'll see ya
In a couple days.